Good morning. This is Bhupendra Singh, and today we will discuss about how to write an abstract of any research paper or any research article or any report. So, before it, we discuss what is an abstract. An abstract is a brief, comprehensive summary of the contents of the article. It allows readers to survey the contents of an article quickly, and like a title, it enables persons interested in the document to retrieve it from abstracting and indexing databases. Most scholar, scholarly journals require an abstract. Consult the instructions to authors or web pages of the journal to which you plan to submit your article for any journal or their specific instructions. A well prepared abstract can be the most important single paragraph in an article. Now, most people have their first contact with an article by seeing just the abstract, usually in comparison with several other abstracts as they are doing to literature search. Readers frequently decide on the basis of the abstract whether to read the entire article. This means the abstract changes mindset of the reader. By embedding keywords in your abstract, you enhance the user's ability to find the abstract needs to be dense with information so that the reader can get more information about the article of which abstract read by them. By embedding keywords in your abstract, you enhance the user's ability to find it. A good abstract is with some qualities. So we will now discuss about the qualities of a good qualities of a research abstract. The first thing is accurate. Ensure that the abstract correctly reflects the purpose and content of the manuscript. Do not include information that does not appear in the body of the manuscript if the study extends or replicates previous research. Note this in the abstract and cite the author's last name and the year of the relevant report, research paper or article. Comparing an abstract with an outline of the manuscript's headings is a useful way to verify its accuracy. The second thing, non-evaluative. Report or paper or research article rather than evaluate. Do not add to or comment on what is in the body of the manuscript. The next thing, it should be coherent and readable. Write in clear and concise language. Use verbs rather than their non equivalents and the active rather than the passive voice. Example: investigated rather than an investigation of. The author presented the result instead of result were presented. Use the present tense to describe conclusions drawn or results with continuing applicability. Use the past tense to describe specific variables manipulated or outcomes measured. Next, the good quality is concise, or it should be concise. Be brief and make each sentence maximally informative, especially the lead sentence. Begin the abstract with the most important points. Do not waste space by repeating the title, including in the abstract only the 4 or 5 most important concepts. Finding or implications. Use the specific words in your abstract that you think your audience will use in their electronic searches. So, this is the abstract of any research article or research paper. So, thank you and subscribe my channel. Next in the next class, some other topic will be discussed.